Hello. Today's lesson is about present progressive information questions. We call them information questions because we use them to get information. They begin with words like what, where, and who. Look at these present progressive information questions with what and where. Notice the word order. The WH word is first. Then we have a form of the verb be, like is or are. Then the subject, and then the present participle form of the verb. Questions with who and the present progressive have a different word order. We use who, is, and the present participle form of the verb. We always use is in the question. For example, we can say, who is sleeping? The answer can be singular, like Sandra is sleeping, or plural, like Sandra and Sharon are sleeping. We often contract the WH word and is in speaking and informal writing.